Hello students. Now the time to learn with respect to what actually software mean. So in our last class we studied about what classification of languages, classification of programming languages. Languages are classified into machine level language, then assembly level language, then high level language. Machine level language consists of the code elements which are in the form of binary digits, that is 0 and 1. Assembly level consists of commands. Example, add a comma b. Then high level language consists of English like statements. So example, C++. We have pretty big list here. If you go with the list of assembly level, high level language, Fortran, COBOL, Basic, Pascal, C++, C, Java, C Sharp, PHP, Ruby, Python, Kotlin. These are what the assembly level languages. Later, what we discussed regarding program translators. What actually program translators mean? See, the computer only know 0 and 1. So when we write assembly level language using commands, there is an translator which is nothing but a tool or a software called assembler, which takes input as assembly level language code and gives output which is in the form of zeros and ones. This is what the translator, assembler is the translator. Later followed by what? One more translator that translate high level language into machine level language. High level language, which consists of English like statements. Okay. So here the tools are compiler, interpreter. These are the tools which converts high level language to machine level language. So this is what the history what we gone with respect to classification of languages. Apart from this, we have our next topic, that is software. What actually software mean? Software is a set of instruction. Actually we studied what do you mean by instruction, okay, earlier. So what they are telling here, software is a set of instruction, data or programs used to operate computers and execute specific task. A software may contain a instruction or a data or program. They are used to operate computers and execute specific task. We are developing a software to implement a specific task. Got it? So what they are telling in second point, opposite to hardware, which describes the physical aspects of a computer, software is a generic term used to refer to applications, scripts, programs that run on a device. We need to know the exact difference between hardware and software. What they are telling, hardware is all about physical aspects, whereas software is all about applications, scripts and program. Software is a generic. Generic means common term we are using for software applications, software scripts and programs. Getting? So in third point, what they are telling, software can be thought of as the variable part of a computer and hardware excuse me, computer hardware the invariable part ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. What actually it mean? Software can be thought of as variable part. I mean to say which varies. I mean, we may install one software today for a specific task. We may install one more application for the same task, but hardware remains same, but software keep on changing depending upon a requirement. This is what all about software. So later what we have Some of the characteristics of software, characteristics of good software. This one we need to mention. Good software. What they are? So as they are telling, they have 6 characteristics. So the writing makes you messy. So for that case, what I will do, I will go for eraser and erase the content. Okay, this thing is quite easy to understand. So what we are learning now, characteristics of good software. The first characteristics is functionality. Refer to a degree of performance of the software against the intended purpose. I mean to say, the functionality of the software, it should meet our requirement. I mean to say, we are developing a software. I mean to say, we are developing a school management software, that is SMS. So once we are going to develop the product or software, something like SMS, it should meet the what purpose? With good performance, then only the functionality of the software is going to be satisfied with respect to benchmarks. Okay, this is what the functionality. Next topic is reliability. What do you mean by reliability? Refers to the ability of the software to provide a desired functionality under the given condition. So if you go for a cricket player, it should be reliable. What it means? Irrespective of the condition, he should play well. He should play consistent cricket. Okay. In the same way, when we consider software reliability, what it means? It should achieve its functionality with respect to any conditions. Okay, that is what reliability. Next one is usability. What they are telling with respect to usability refers to the extent to which the software can be used with easy. So the software, it should be easy to use. That is what they are telling. The UI, user interface, then the performance, then the malfunctioning needs to be very low, and accuracy. These are the things what they are telling. That is what usability. A software should contain good user interface. The performance should be good. Later, what accuracy? Malfunctioning should be less. Getting? Then efficiency. What efficiency refers here? Refers to the ability of the software to use system resources in the most effective and efficient manner. What it means? Suppose what a software, it is utilizing the computer hardware in an effective way. I mean to say, it should utilize in a maximum extent. Okay, that is what they are telling, efficiency here. By using all the resources what a system consists of, the software should work efficiently. Next main important point is maintainability. What it means? See, developing a software is not going to be a big deal. The challenge comes where we start to maintain our software, because maintaining a software, it all consists of database maintenance and perform maintenance with respect to traffic. Okay, and it should be recovered fast in case of failure. These are what the maintainability kind of stuff. Got it? And the maintainability also includes scalable software. What actually scalable mean? If you develop a software, there our requirements not comes to an end. It is a continuous process. So what we need to do? Our software is capable of stretching more. I mean to say scalable. That is what the scalability. Okay, this is what one more characteristics of good software. Next one is software should be portable. What it mean? See, if you are developing a software in a platform, it should run in any other platforms. I mean to say with respect to operating system. Suppose I am developing an application with respect to Windows environment. It should work well in Linux. Got it? This is what they are telling, portability. In a simple term, what they are define portability, ability of a software to function properly on different hardware and software platforms, not only OS, hardware also they are considering here. Suppose if you people are going to develop a software, a piece of working code, it should work irrespective of hardware and software, the resources. That is what portability. Got it? So later what we have classification of softwares. So we are classifying softwares into two types. One is system software, excuse me. Next one is application software. What actually system software mean? Look at here. Here we have many points with respect to system software. See, system softwares are the softwares. They are dedicated to managing the computer itself. This is what we need to know. Here system means computer. System means computer. The softwares which are dedicated to manage computer itself. Such softwares are called system softwares. The example, operating system, file management, utilities, disk operating system. These are what? Different system softwares. Then translators like assemblers, compilers and interpreters. The concepts what we learned in our earlier class. The translators, assemblers, compilers, interpreters. These are also system software. Later, system software is a software that provides platform to other softwares. Yes, of course. We have a compiler or an interpreter. What it is going to do? It will convert our high level code to machine level code. That machine level code is going to work with respect to another piece of code. Same concept they are telling here. System software is a software that provides platform to other softwares. Next, some examples can operating system, antivirus softwares, disk formatting. Anyhow, this point is repeating. We gone with examples here itself. So, who are going to develop system softwares? Usually computer manufacturers. Those who are manufacturing computers, they are going to write system softwares because those system softwares, they are going to manage computers itself. That's why the computer manufacturers themselves, they are producing system softwares. So, in last point, what they are telling, system software consists of programs written in low level language. This one we need to know, which usually written in low level language. That is nothing but machine level, zeros and ones. What's the purpose? Used to interact with hardware at a considerable basic level. Anyhow, system software is meant to operate with the system. So, the system softwares, they are going to work with computer hardware through machine code or low level languages. System software serves as the interface between hardware and the end user. Definitely, hardware, computer hardware, it is going to utilize it by the user through system softwares. Got it? There is no operating system, in our computer. We can't able to do anything because the system software provides the platform to work, to utilize the resources, to utilize the hardware. Got it? So later, they are telling, the most important features of system software include, what are the features? Cloniness to the system. I mean to say it should closeness to the system. Yes, of course, the system software is very close to system because it is going to interact with the hardware by using machine code. Then fast speed, of course, they need to be very speed. Difficult to manipulate. Any of the things are written with respect to zeros and one, they will come with security, and it is very difficult to manipulate. Written in low level languages, then difficult to design. Got it? So these are what few features of system software. In our next class, we deal with application software. Got it? So thank you all. Have a nice day. All the best. Happy learning.